Welcome to Stocks Power YouTube channel. So today we are going to see Tata Consultancy Services means TCS stock analysis. So TCS is best stock in IT sector. So we will see stock analysis for TCS stock. So if you have any problem in any stock or if you have stuck in any stock, so you can message me on Instagram or you can comment below. So we can solve your problem together. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about next video. So first of all, we'll see technical chart analysis for TCS stock. So we will see on daily basis, weekly basis and monthly basis how TCS is and where is support and resistance for TCS stock. So stay in video till last. So this is daily chart frame for TCS. So you all can see this is a trend line I have drawn for TCS. From COVID-19, TCS is taking support at these levels. So you all can see TCS has taken support at this level how much time? This is first time here. You all can see this here also TCS has taken support and bounced back from that level. So recently TCS has taken support of this trend line here. You all can see here TCS has taken support at this level. So TCS is a strong stock in IT sector, so no need to panic if you have invested in TCS stock. So we will see monthly pivot point for TCS. So you all can see this are pivot point for TCS stock. You all can see TCS is taking support and resistance of pivot in this full month. So recently TCS has got this hammer candle which is bullish candle. So which is good news for TCS investor that TCS can go till resistance 1 at the end of this month. So you all can see this pivot point is at 2680, which is this line you all can see here. So support 1, support 2, support 3 is here, which you all can see here. These are support lines and these are resistance. So resistance 1 is here. So TCS can go till month and till resistance 1. You all can see here this is hammer candle pattern, which is a bullish candle pattern. So here you all can see TCS has taken support at pivot point in the full month. So no need to panic. Below you all can see here is trend line support for TCS. So this is a strong support for TCS at these levels. So this is weekly chart frame for TCS stock. So you all can see there this is trend line which I have drawn in daily chart frame how TCS went from after COVID-19. So this rally has made by TCS in weekly chart frame. So you all can see that this stock has taken support at this line. Okay, this was the strong resistance for TCS. So TCS broke this resistance before some days. So you all can see how strong this resistance was. So if TCS break this trend line, then here is all support for TCS. So no need to panic. So TCS has strong support below, so no need to panic for investors. So now you all can see here that TCS has taken support at this level. So this is monthly time frame for TCS. Now we have seen daily and weekly also time frame. So this is monthly time frame for TCS. So you all can see this is time frame we have seen in this is trend line we have seen in daily and weekly chart frame. So now this is monthly chart frame you all can see here. So TCS has taken support as resistance at this level. So you all can see clearly. So if TCS break this trend line, then TCS has a strong support at this level, which is at 2300 level. So you can see here that TCS is about 200 moving average. So this yellow line is 200 moving average. So you can consider that about 200 moving average, the stock which is about 200 moving average is bullish. So TCS is now bullish stock which is about 200 moving average. So here are moving averages for TCS. So all the moving averages for TCS are bullish. So you all can see here that all the moving averages for TCS are bullish. So no need to panic because TCS is in strong and bullish form. Moving averages crossovers. So moving averages crossovers are also bullish. So you can see here that moving averages crossovers are also bullish. Short term, medium term, and long term it is not written here, but it is a bullish crossover. So all the moving averages are bullish and crossovers are also bullish. So golden crossovers are also bullish for TCS stock. So technical indicators for TCS stock. So RSI and MACD are bullish and ROC is also bullish. But stochastic is overbought. CCI is also overbought. You all can see money, MFI and Williamson's are also overbought. And but ADX is a strong trend. So no need to panic because some main indicators are bullish. So we have seen technical chart analysis for TCS stock. So in technical chart analysis, TCS stock is very bullish and strong stock. So now we will see fundamentally how this stock is, which is TCS stock. So here are statistics for TCS stock. So market cap of TCS stock is 10 lakh 21,417 crore. So this is a market leader and one of the best stock of Nifty 50. So EPS is 78.49, which is good EPS, and PE is 34.68. You all can see a PE. So PE is high. So industrial PE is 28.24, which is also high. So you all can see dividend is 7,300, which is good, and dividend yield is 2.68, which is our best dividend yield. So you all can see our deliveries are 41.41. So these are good statistics for TCS stock. So you all can see returns, how much returns TCS has given in past years. Okay, so TCS has given good returns in past years. You all can see here. So in past 3 years, TCS has given 102% of returns. In last 2 years, TCS has given 50.18% of returns. In last year, TCS has given 31.39% of returns, and in past 6 months, TCS has given 34.73% of returns. In COVID-19, after COVID-19, TCS has given good returns. You all can see here. In 3 months also, TCS has given 21 percentage of return. In past month it has given 1.31 percentage. So TCS has given good returns in past 3 years. You all have seen here. So you all can see a income statement for this quarter, September quarter. So sales were of 40,135 crore, which were more as compared to June quarter. You all can see here. Other income was also more as compared to June quarter. Total income was 41,000 crore. As compared to June quarter, in June quarter there was 38,900 only. You all can see here. So as compared to June quarter, total income is more. So total expenditure is also more as compared to June quarter. You all can see here. So you all can see here net profit. So net profit is more as compared to June quarter. 500 crores net profit is more as compared to June quarter. So return ratios. So return ratios for TCS stock, you can see here. So return on equity in 2020, March 2020, it is 38, and in past year 2019 it was 35. So it is more as compared to 2019. ROC is also more as compared to 2019, but return on asset is less as compared to 2019. You all can see here. So net cash flow is also less as compared to 2019. It is less as compared to 2019. So here are shareholding pattern for TCS. So you all can see promoters holding is 72%, which is a good thing that it is 72%, but shares are placed in that promoters holding. You all can see 3% of shares means 2.94. It's equal to 3. Nearby 3% of shares are placed in promoters holding of June 2020. You all can see here. So FII holdings are 15.85%. Total DII holdings are 8.66. Mutual funds holdings are 2.51. You all can see here, and public holding are 3.46. So we have seen fundamental and technical chart analysis of TCS stock. So everything is good and best in TCS stock, but one thing which is shareholding pattern which is not good. So 3% of shares are placed in shareholding pattern of promoters. So this is not good thing. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about next videos. So thank you and have a good day. So all the best for your trading sessions ahead.